back to Big Joe's Outdoors. Today, I'm going to do a little short video on the differences of rabbits nesting to show you everybody does things a little differently. And I have 3 examples of it. And I'm going to start off by showing a mama that had her babies and they're all doing good. One from a previous video, they're all healthy and hoppy and beautiful. There's my buck. You see this cat? See this one right here? How she barely, these 3 I'm showing you are all going to be due on the same day. See how she barely pulls any fur right now? So that's all she did. She just barely pulled any fur and put it in there. She scraped out most of the shavings. And then this one right here, she moved her box completely over. Look at all the fur she's got in there. And then this one right here, she's running off on me. She has been scratching in there, but she has yet to even pull any fur. But they're all should be due in the next day or so, or probably, I think they're due tomorrow. So this is just a short example of what rabbits do when they make their nest. Everybody does it different, so don't freak out when you don't see them building it, because she might just build it on the next day, the day of, or right after she gives birth. I've seen it every way you can think of. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. If y'all like this kind of explanational video on raising rabbits, let me know, and I'll do what I can to make more and some better, longer content. Thanks for watching.